We build water management systems for commercial and industrial buildings. And what that means is there's two components of that. There's an IoT component where we sensorize the building in order to capture water flow. And then there's the analytics component where we take the high resolution data and then detect waste. And then once we detect waste, we go one step further where we believe we're ahead, is that we identify what's causing that waste based on statistics, and we send that information to the front line. So instead of like this building right here, if I'm telling you today that this building is using 3 times the amount of water today as it did yesterday, where do you look? It's difficult. Where we help is that we can focus on the signature of the water and say, it looks like you have a cooling tower problem. It looks like you could have toilets stuck in one of your floors. And then that's our differentiation. And I think that's where we add value to our client. It's 2016. You think today that it'd be really easy to slap sensors on, have it go through the iPhone and tell you everything. But in reality, in the industrial world, it's really, really hard. Most of the technology today is from the 70s and it's inconsistent and it's very difficult and requires engineering. We had to come up with a plug-and-play system that a commercial plumber could easily install, and that's why we had to get into hardware design for our Internet of Things system. I imagine a world where every building is sensorized and that waste is detected immediately and fixed immediately, where conservation becomes not a talking point, but it becomes culture, it becomes practice, it's reinforced. There's a financial benefit, there's an environmental benefit, and then the culture of savings makes it perpetual. And that's our dream.